Hello everyone, in this video I am talking about individual case safety reports. Individual case safety reports refers to ISR which must be complied for each instance of a suspected or confirmed adverse event, and submission of such report to the competent authority of the member state. The ISR validity criteria. Assessing of validity of an ISR, there are four elements considered. First is identifiable patient, second identifiable reporter, a suspect drug, and a adverse event or a adverse drug reaction. First is identifiable reporter. Any identifiable information for the reporter such as qualification, example physician, pharmacist, other health professional, lawyer, consumer, or other than non-health care professionals, name, initials or addresses. Next is identifiable patient. Any identifiable information for the patient such as initials, date of birth, age group, gestation period, or a gender, medical record number, or any specific identification number. Next is suspect drug. The generic name or a brand name of the at least a single suspect drug or a medical product. Fourth is an adverse event or a adverse drug reaction, in that the information pertaining to adverse event, adverse drug reaction which is suspicious casual association with a medical product. Next is incomplete or a invalid case, in that any case with the lack of any of the above specified four elements does not qualify for as a valid individual case safety reports. Next is an invalid or incomplete ISR can become valid or a complete upon receipt of any of the missing information from a reporter. Next point is sources of individual case safety reports. The activities of a pharmacovigilance commissions from pre-marketing stage of developmental drugs to the post-marketing phase of approved and marketed drugs. The sources of obtaining the patient safety information of a medical product can be classified into two categories is based on the marketing status of the medicinal product. There is first category, pre-marketing sources, in that the safety information from a clinical trial study sponsored, conducted and supported by a pharmaceutical manufacturer or a sponsor. It is a regulatory obligation for sponsors to monitor the safety profile of the development molecule and report the significant safety concerns to respective health authorities and local regulatory bodies within stipulated timelines by respective authority. Second is post-marketing sources, in that after availing the marketing authorization for a medicinal product, marketing authorization holder is obliged to monitor the safety behavior of the medicinal product for a significant period of the time in a wide range of the population exposure, which included populations not sure to propose the benefit risk profile of the medicinal product to the regulatory authority is consistent with no significant variations. Then let's move towards the types of a ICSR. There are, based on the sources and type of the data collection, ICSR are classified into two categories. First is solicited individual case safety reports. Second, unsolicited individual case safety reports. First is solicited ICSR, in that the ICSR which were originating from a organized data collection systems are classified as a solicited types. The ICSR comes under the solicited category. There are following points: interventional clinical trials or studies, non-interventional clinical trial or studies, non-interventional programs, patient registers, patient support and market research programs, investigator-initiated clinical trials, compassionate use program, etc. Second is non-solicited ICSR, in that the ICSR which are originated from unorganized data collection systems are classified as a non-solicited type. The following types of ICSR comes under the non-solicited category, in that literature abstracts or articles, legal case reported by on behalf of a consumer, health authority case reports, spontaneous reports from healthcare professionals and directly from the consumers, social media reports, any ICSR information posted on social website like Facebook, Twitter, etc. That's all about individual case safety reports. Thank you.